Hi everyone, J7409 here, and we're going to look at some potential for really nasty weather, severe weather coming in, okay? Before I get going, I want to say that I think that Friday and possibly Saturday could be severe weather days. Now, yesterday I told you where the chance of severe weather was. There was a lot of severe thunderstorms, no tornadoes though, down in Louisiana, and they moved on across. But I think possibly Friday and Saturday, because we have a medium range, all of the medium range model guidance has shown significant run-to-run consistency for the past several cycles, that there could be a risk of severe weather for areas of central and eastern Oklahoma Friday. And it's not just Oklahoma, it could be a little more than Oklahoma. Now, a mid-level trough is forecast to move into the central U.S. Friday, this coming Friday, with a triple point located over Oklahoma. And this is going to favor the development of large hail and strong storms, and then transition to upscale growth and a risk for severe wind gusts and possibly tornadoes. Now, I think this could carry on into Saturday and other places. It depends on a cold front pushing east of this area. Now, by Sunday and Monday, the severe potential should begin to lower some. But right now, we're looking at today. So, we're going to click on through it. Well, it messed up on me here. Let's get over here where it's supposed to be. Here we go. This is at midnight tonight. We see we have some storms moving in through Texas and New Mexico, but these, I've already looked them up, are mostly just thunderstorms, okay? Severe thunderstorm activity. But as we click on through, you know, anything could happen. And what I would like to stress, I am not saying anyone is going to have a tornado. You can't really make sure that's going to happen. I'm not saying you're not either. I'm just going to show you what it looks like as we move through. Now, on Wednesday, you see some start right in here tomorrow, but they are mostly just severe thunderstorms, okay? Right here looks kind of high. We'll check it out. We will have that chance, but I'm going to show you the most severe in detail. We will check this out right quick, though, and see what's happening. It is looking like there could be a chance of a tornado in that area. I'll show it again to you on the map in a moment. It's hard to tell, folks, right now, but it has a 53% chance of becoming a tornado. It's a significant supercell. Now, I've explained what all of this means in earlier videos. One day I'll sit down and go through each one of them. And it does have a chance of having significant hail with it, and the hail could be 1 3/4 inches, okay? So this is what this is looking like. You do have that chance, a marginal chance, not a significant chance, but a marginal chance. And here you can see it blinking where it may happen. You guys can already go ahead and get right for some severe thunderstorms, if nothing else, supercells thunderstorms. And I have this set on the supercells themselves, right in that area right there. So this is for Thursday, tomorrow. Well, this coming Thursday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. For Thursday, the 28th, this is what it's looking like right here. Okay, we're back now on Thursday evening. We'll move on across some. We can see what's happening, and you know how I call this a hook. See how it's going? Well, this is Friday. This is Friday. What significant stuff may be happening? You can see through here, it's kind of high, moving on up. I've checked a lot of this out. There is the possibility now of a tornado that could happen in this area, but as it hooks, look how it moves up right where that hook is. Right in, I found it a while ago, right here. There's a big hook right there forming. Let's check it out and see what it's looking like. It's a marginal chance of a tornado to develop out of this cell. With all of the other matches, there were 35, and it has a 69% chance of forming into a tornado, and it does have some significant hail probably that could occur with it, anywhere from 2.5 to 2.75 inch hail. Got to watch out for that hail, especially being damaging to your cars, or if you're traveling on the highway, you cannot drive when a lot of hail comes down. So please keep this in mind. Please keep this in mind. And where is this located again? Well, let's check the map out right quick. Here it is, right here in Kansas. Right in Kansas. And this, of course, is for Friday at some point. And this is on the GFS sounding map. This is what it is looking like. Now, I'm just showing you guys this stuff now. Once again, I'm not saying there's going to be a tornado. I'm not saying there's not going to be. I'm saying there's this chance that it could be. As we move on along in time, you see the timestamp is right up here. I'm not going to go over every single one of the soundings, but I think that Friday night, Saturday, you're going to have rain, you're going to have some supercells pull through. But one thing I wanted to stress, here we are at midnight around Saturday. They pop back up again. This is through Texas and Oklahoma as it's moving out to the east. You need to be aware of these things. And let me stress that, this only has to be over a 1 if the conditions are right. Right in here we have a 9 for a tornado to develop. It only has to be over a 1. Something I really saw that kind of bugged me, though, I wanted to get out to you guys. I usually don't go out in time because it changes. It changes. Usually. But these systems, the way they're packing in, it is springtime now. You can see how I'm moving on through. Something is coming up that really kind of bugs me. It's this system down here in the first week of April, next week. It kind of bugs me a lot. We'll keep going right on through here now. I think it could bring some very potential bad weather. We have some more chances later on coming up in Texas here. Very good chances, but I want to show you something right quickly that really gets me. And this is right here. This is on the 11th of April. Now, yes, this is far out, and I usually don't go out this far. But if these systems keep moving in the directions that they're moving and the conditions stay the way they are, this could be a very significant cell right in here. And I will show you why. It's right on the border of Louisiana and Mississippi. Why does this one bother me more than the others? Because this has everything, folks. Over here, where you usually see chance or marginal, this says PDS, and that stands for tornado. Do you know what that means? That means possible dangerous weather, folks. I mean, It's just, it could be very, very like an F2 or an F3. Okay, potentially dangerous storm tornado. So keep this in mind. You can see it's got all the ingredients. The supercell is 18.2. It's got all of these matches. It has 74 to 75% chance of being a tornado. It has 63% chance of significant hail, some 2.5 inches. It is a significant storm for a few hours. It could be very, very dangerous. And where is this located? Right there. Right at the edge of Louisiana. Looks like it really actually occurs, though, in Mississippi. Now, once again, not saying this is going to happen. It's far out. It's for April the 11th. But they usually do not put the potentially dangerous situation on it unless it looks like it could happen. And whenever they put potentially dangerous situation, PDS, tornado, it's always an F2 or an F3. So I'll keep my eyes on all of this stuff. Everybody be safe. This coming Friday, and I'm saying right on into Saturday, the weather folks aren't, but I'm saying Oklahoma, Nebraska, and maybe a little of Texas. You guys be on the outlook for some severe thunderstorms and the possibility of some of them turning into tornadoes. I'll keep my eyes on everything. Everybody be safe. I'm trying to let you know ahead of time. It is springtime. You know how springtime is. Be safe and be aware, okay? I'll try my best to keep you up to date on all of this stuff. With that all said and done, be safe, be blessed, have a good day, a safe day. Please share this information with your friends and family, especially coming up through Oklahoma, Kansas, maybe a little of Nebraska, and portions of Texas. And also for, I'm going to say late this afternoon or tonight, probably this area of Texas right on up, you guys could also have some very severe thunderstorms headed your way. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.